guys, what's up? Happy Sunday. It's a beautiful Sunday. It's sunny outside. It's really nice. So I'm already up, out and about. I actually felt like getting myself together and making myself look decent today. Okay, still rocking the ponytail. I actually kind of like rocking the ponytail, y'all. It's like super easy, super low maintenance, and I can just get out the house real easy. So I'm parked right now, waiting on Jalen to come around. We're going, me, her, and babe, we're about to eat breakfast. We decided to just come out and enjoy the day. So I don't know what I have planned today. I don't know, but we gonna see. Alright guys, so we just went in Ulta and I exchanged out my Versace for the Ariana Grande My Vanilla. I don't know the lighting. This smells so good. If you are a vanilla girl, I love vanilla fragrances. I like amber. Yeah, anything typically with vanilla or amber or vetiver are my faves. Anyway. Now that that's done, I am cooking dinner tonight. I'm cooking a pot roast. I've never made a pot roast before in my life, so this is gonna be my first time making a pot roast. I was gonna do it in the crock pot. It's 12 o'clock. I'm thinking if I start now, it's not 12 o'clock. Wait, what time is it? It is, oh, it's 2 o'clock. If I put it in the crock pot now, well, that thing probably won't be ready till 9 o'clock. So I'm gonna go ahead on and just put it in the bag in the oven, and it should be ready within like 2 hours. So I'm gonna go over here to Kroger and get a bag, a pot roast bag, and I think I have everything else at the house. Oh, and a bell pepper, because I realized that I did not get a bell pepper. What's up, guys? I really need to work on getting my mount for the car, because I feel like that's what's missing in me, like just talking to you guys more. Ever since I got my car, I haven't had a mount, and the mount is important. And then also, I don't like the angle that I have to film at. I have you guys like sitting in front of my mirror, not my mirror, my screen. I don't like the angle, because if it was in a mount, it would be up more like this, which is a whole lot better. So I may just go ahead on and do that. Anyway, let me see if I can set you guys like right here. Alright guys, I'm kind of leveraging the camera. I'm so used to having my glasses on. I keep doing this because I'm like reaching for my glasses, which is insane. Anyway, I'm headed to try to find a bag for the pot roast, y'all. Went in Kroger earlier, they didn't have any. I don't know if seasoning bags, like with the whole kit thing, is no longer a thing anymore. But I really want to put this, I've never made a pot roast before. And so I'm just trying to cook something different. Aside from my usual rotation of chicken in all ways, whether it's baked chicken, fried chicken, barbecue chicken, jerk chicken, teriyaki chicken, sweet and sour chicken. Like, I love chicken, and I've been just cooking a lot of it. And you know, with all the things going on and happening right now, I want to kind of switch up my meats. Every now and then I do pork chops, but I try not to cook pork chops so much. So today I decided to do a roast. Now granted, we usually eat ground turkey, and of course for the pot roast, I have a ground chuck beef roast. And it's not that we don't eat beef, we just limit it, but we do eat beef. Like I said, we just don't eat it a lot. So hopefully they have a seasoning bag at the other store, because it's 5 o'clock and I know everybody's gonna be hungry by 7. We went to Cracker Barrel earlier. You guys saw I had not been to Cracker Barrel in probably 7 years. I haven't been to Cracker Barrel. I think we just happened to pass a sign one day and saw the pancakes and the breakfast up there and was like, oh my gosh, you know, they used to have really good breakfast. I know they went through a whole, you know, the whole scandal thing and all the things, but today we just decided to go. And it was a really mixed crowd. So I guess they're not on the list. And the food was good. The food was really good to me. Service not so much, but the food was really good. So that was fine. Got back to the house about 4 hours ago. Took a nap. I did not intend to sleep for 2.5 hours, guys. I slept for 2.5 hours. It is 5:30. The pot roast should have been done by now. But everybody, Jalen went to a baby shower. She probably won't be home for 2 hours. My baby is still knocked out asleep, so as long as he stays asleep, cool. I'm pretty sure he's gonna wake up once I start rambling in the kitchen because he fell asleep on the couch downstairs where the TV is. But it'll be fine as long as they eat. They'll eat in 2 hours. But it's such a nice day outside. I'm gonna stop and get me a cherry Coke Zero too on my way home because I haven't had a Coke Zero all weekend, and I didn't even go get a coffee this morning, so I can treat myself. Y'all know how I do. Alright guys, these are the seasonings that I am going to be using.
I've heard new love is so beautiful. Time is what makes it ugly. But time after time and through every turn in this life, I could use some stability. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone, but you still feel like right when the whole world feels wrong. They say history repeats itself, but a memory is for the shelf. Well, I replay the moments and years of our lives while I'm praying and hoping there will always be you and I. Tell me, how could two people grow? Rearrange and transpose, but it's always the same. I'm attracted to every way.
Alright guys, so I put the vegetables over here in the bag because I just feel like they're not going to get done in the crock pot. So, of course, so we're watching Strength of a Woman, if that's what you hear in the background. Hopefully I don't get copyright. But I decided to move the, I feel like I did way more than I probably was supposed to do. I moved the pot roast over to the crock pot, and then I put the vegetables in the bag over here because I feel like the time that the pot roast is gonna cook in the crock pot is not gonna be enough time to make the potatoes and the carrots actually be done. So that's what I did. But the seasoning is on point.
Your niceness is going a long way right now.
Nice? Oh, you think I'm not nice?
Yeah, you're pretty kind.
The moments and years of our lives, while I'm praying and hoping we will always be.
Did anyone offer you a drink?
You guys are done.
This is dinner tonight. A beautiful pizza. Would you like to know why? So the pot roast is not done. The pot roast is tough. I have put it in the oven. I have put it in the crock pot. I have put it on top of the stove, and now it's back to the crock pot. We're gonna let it cook for 6 hours, and we're gonna eat it tomorrow for dinner because it's just not done. So me and babe, we ordered a pizza, and we're gonna eat pizza for dinner. So today's crock pot Sunday dinner was a fail. We're gonna rock it out with this pizza. A little Stella. We are finally eating the pot roast, and it actually came out really, really good. Tender. Hey guys, what's good? Today is Tuesday. It is actually Fat Tuesday, and I'm about to go out and meet a few of my girls. One of my homegirls hit us up and was like, you know what, we should do something tonight because it's Fat Tuesday. So we decided to meet at this spot. It's called Louisiana Bistro. It's down in Buckhead. Really, really nice. I've been there before. Love their seafood. I'm excited to get some shrimp and some fried okra, and they fry the whole okra, like the entire whole pieces. We're supposed to be meeting at 7 o'clock, so I'm running behind as per usual. But my friends, this set of friends, they're pretty much late a lot too, so I think we are gonna be arriving at the same time. I still need to do my lips, but Jalen did me a little quick weave. You guys know I've been wearing a ponytail because it's just been easier, but the ponytail is done, child, and I hadn't been really going nowhere. So since I'm going somewhere, I wanted, you know, a different style or whatever. So quickly it turned out really cute. I actually like it. And then here, the picture's down, y'all, because I'm now deciding between these two paint colors right here, oh my gosh, and right there. And I don't know which one I want to do. You know, they're both, like, one is a light beige. I think one is kind of tan, one has more gray in it, but they don't give me blue. And with a lot of the grays and the off-whites and, well, not even really the tan, but more the grays and the off-whites, some of them give me blue in my house and the way my light set, so I had to make sure, you know what I'm saying. So anyway, that is beside the point, but that's why this picture is down here, and I want to keep, you know, the browns and the chocolates and everything in. So anyway, guys, I'm about to head out, get ready to go. Crawfish, thank you. Woo! That's some big shrimp. Wow. Hey guys. So I just got home from work and I decided to go ahead on and try to cook dinner tonight. So dinner tonight is grilled pork chops. I'm gonna put barbecue sauce on them, but in the meantime I'm gonna go ahead on and put them in the oven and let them cook. This is what I absolutely love about getting off work at 3 o'clock, because it's 4 and your girl is already cooking dinner. So I do enjoy that part of being part-time, because you all know when you work full-time, you're not getting home till like 6 if you're lucky, 7 if you live in a city like Atlanta and you don't get off till 5. So I'm not far from my house, and Jalen is at school right now. You guys know Jalen is still in college, but she's been living at home instead of staying on campus. So she's still on campus right now, but by the time she gets home, dinner will be good and done for both of us. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven before I go upstairs and relax and take off these work clothes and everything. I just usually like to go ahead on and get this stuff done. So while I'm upstairs, it will be cooking. It shouldn't take them no more than probably an hour to cook. So at that rate, dinner should be ready right about 5:30. So we'll be good. I don't know how crazy I'm looking, y'all. I don't really put that much effort into my work face. I did reach out because I'm getting my hair braided on Sunday. Next weekend, babe and I are going out of town for our anniversary trip, so we won't be here, and I need to do all the maintenance things. I did just get my nails done, so I don't know if I'm gonna need a fill-in. Right now they look really good and like I won't, so I don't know. But getting my hair braided, and then I have some other appointments scheduled. But yeah, so I'm excited for that trip. I need some sun. Atlanta has been cold. Y'all know we had snow in the past 2 months. So I'm ready for the beach. It's supposed to be 80 degrees. We're going down to Florida. So yay for that. Anyway, I don't know if I'm gonna make it today. I wanna go by Hobby Lobby and get some stems for that room over here. Let me show you guys what the plan is. I put this picture back up here because I actually like the brown in it now. I was gonna paint it all black and do like a streak of white, but it works, especially because I have a vision of chocolate and black in here. So these are the pillows that are on here now. I'm gonna be getting rid of these 2 pillows. I don't want the black, white, and the gold. This came out of the other room, the family room. So I think I'm gonna add some black and chocolate. Yeah, I think that's gonna be really cute. And let's see. Oh yeah, Jalen just made it home. What's up, youngin? So
You down here recording.
the college student has just arrived. Why you locked the door? Oh, you went out? Oh, okay.
Hello, guys.
So yeah, and I'm gonna clear all this off. The greenery is, I still like greenery, but I don't want it in here. It's not going with the vibe that I'm about to create. And then these are some boxes that I have that need to go upstairs. This, well, that go in the trash, but these boxes right here need to go upstairs. I had just put them down here. I'm gonna do a little switch up in here, but that'll be in the next video. And this area right here where I have this pretty vase that you guys remember I used in the fall styling video, we're keeping it. Love it. Love the florals and everything. Gonna keep this year round. The one thing that I do want to change probably will be getting a new lamp that doesn't have that gold hardware on the bottom, and filling this space out.
Under the lights, you look so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated, or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you
Here's dinner: grilled pork chops, okra in the air fryer, and corn. Now this is my plate. I'm doing it in portion control because I am, you know, always still watching my calories and my carbs. And I also am gonna add a little bit of Sweet Baby Ray's to one of my pork chops. Only one, because baby, the sugar in here I'm probably not supposed to have, but it looks really good.
night when I think I made it, when all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking, not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying, those memories keep playing.